Thank you so much for watching this video. One request, please subscribe this channel because this is the channel where you will get complete Excel detail. Today we are going to cover all the formula start from ABS. This function calculates the value of a number irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. Formula details ABS, you just need to select your range and you will get your result. Formatting required or not, the result will be shown as a number. No special formatting is needed. Next formula is address. Basically address, we are using this formula while creating a macro, something like that, not in a regular Excel worksheet. So now move to address. I'm going to explain what is address. This function creates a cell reference as a piece of text based on a row and column numbers given by user. This type of function is used in macro rather than on an actual worksheet. Formula details, you just need to mention address, row number, column number, absolute, A1 or R1, C1, and then you need to select the sheet name. Now move into AND formula. This is my favorite formula because means I would love to use AND. This function tests two or more conditions to see if they all are true. It can be used to test that a series of number meets certain condition. It can be used to test that a number or data falls between an upper or lower limit. Normally AND function would be used in conjunction with a function such as if. Formula details, very simple. You just need to mention and select your range, select your data, and you'll get your result. Formatting required or not, when used by itself it will show true or false. Means if you are using only and formula, result will be true or false. Areas, this function tests a range to determine whether it is a single block of data or whether it is a multiple selection. If the selection a single block, and the result will be 1. If it is multiple block, the result will be number of range selected. The function is designed to be used in macro, not in a regular worksheet. Formatting required or not, the result will be shown as number. Now last formula, average. Very basic but very important. This function calculates the average from a list of numbers. If the cell is blank or contain text, that cell will not be used in the average calculation. If the cell contains 0, the cell will be included in the average calculation. Formula details, this is very simple. Just need to mention average, select your range, and the range should be till 30, not more than 30. Formatting required or not, the result will be shown as a number format, guys. So again, thank you so much, and request you to please subscribe this channel because here you'll get complete knowledge about only Excel formula. Please try this formula by yourself. All the details already available in video description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference. Have a great day, have a great future.